Hi there, everybody. This is Rick with TaxDome. Welcome to our course on proposals. For most firms, the process for sending proposals involves writing them, attaching a PDF file to an email, and dispatching them individually to each client. Obviously, this method is very time-consuming and inefficient, and it often requires a specific staff member to take care of this process every single tax season. Well, with TaxDome, you have an integrated solution for sending proposals and engagement letters without paying for expensive sole-purpose software or hiring somebody specifically to craft and email them out. Include one-time or recurring invoices into your proposals instead of setting them up separately. You can also use them for setting up automatic payments for your clients. Crafting these documents is very straightforward, very easy. Use our templates and personalize key aspects for each client using shortcodes. Moreover, you can send proposals and engagement letters in bulk, saving a lot of time. You can also automate your workflows for auto dispatch. You can set up the system to automatically send proposals to each client during the initial stages of a workflow. Clients receive tailored proposals with their relevant information for review and their signature, enabling you to make progress faster and more efficiently without losing track of each proposal's status. Your clients can sign engagement letters from anywhere and on any device through the mobile app or web browser. You can also set up automatic reminders for your clients to sign or approve the proposals, saving you significant time that would otherwise be spent on manual follow-up tasks. We're very excited to hear your thoughts and ensure that this course works for you. At the end of your journey, don't forget to share your feedback and your suggestions with us. Your input makes a huge difference. If you do need more help personalizing things, great. Schedule a call with our education team to take your learning to the next level. We are dedicated to your success. Ready to dive in? All right, let's get started.